Hunanhyder, self-confidence. Confidence is about empowerment. It's about valuing who you are, not what you want to do or how you look. It's about finding the courage to live the life you want, the way you want. Don't look for happiness in other people. Find it in yourself. What is self-confidence? Self-confidence is believing in yourself and your abilities. When you're confident, you're more likely to voice your opinion, take action, and not be afraid to go after what you want. It helps you feel good about who you are and what you can do. What is self-confidence in the world of work? Self-confidence in the workplace means believing in your abilities, coping with responsibilities, making decisions, and contributing to a team. With confidence, you're better prepared to face challenges, communicate clearly, and learn from mistakes. This will help you grow professionally and encourage others to trust you in the workplace. Compare with yourself. We should aim to be the best versions of ourselves for our own good and to make a positive impact on others. Take care of yourself and grow every day. Celebrate your accomplishments without comparing to that of others. If you do compare, measure your progress from where you started, focusing on your own journey. What can affect a young person's self-confidence and self-worth? Several factors influence a young person's self-confidence, including family support or criticism, relationship with peers, and life experiences such as bullying or major change. Academic performance and personal successes also affect self-confidence and self-worth. 4 tips to develop self-confidence as a skill. 1. Set small challenges. Start with challenges that can be easily achieved to build momentum. 2. Practice positive skills. Negative thoughts need to be replaced with positive ones. Remind yourself of your past strengths and accomplishments. 3. Leaving your comfort zone. It is important to embrace new challenges in order to grow and develop. Pushing yourself beyond what is familiar will help you grow and become more confident. 4. Focus on your strengths. Use what you're good at to keep growing. Check out the skills quiz on the Profi website to find your strengths. Celebrate your skills and confidence as you have much to offer the world. Each talent is unique to you and helps you achieve great things. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. If you would like more help to prepare you for the world of work, visit the profi.cymru website or at Cynllun Profi on Instagram and Facebook.